Hi, I'm Mike at TopDogSF, and I'm here with Biscuit, the toy poodle, and Ziggy, the Bernedoodle. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate luring exercises. Luring is a foundational component of positive reinforcement dog training. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate 6 different types of lure that we suggest you practice with your puppy or dog at home. The first 5 are essential and extremely important, and the 6th is optional. First, I'm going to demonstrate luring a puppy forward as I move backwards. I'm going to demonstrate luring a puppy on my right side as I move forwards. I'm going to demonstrate luring a puppy on my left side as I move forwards. I'm going to demonstrate luring a puppy from my right side to my left side. I'm going to demonstrate luring a puppy from my left side to my right side. And the optional one is luring our puppy in between our feet as we walk. So I'm going to demonstrate with the smallest puppy that Top Dog has ever trained and with a small to medium-sized puppy, so you can get an idea of how to do this exercise with your dog or puppy at home. To start, I'm going to hold a piece of treat in my right hand in between my index and middle finger. I'm going to cover it with my thumb so that Biscuit can see it, smell it, and taste it, but he can't access it until I lift my thumb to give it to him. And I'm going to hold the treat in my hand. I'm going to put my hand right in front of Biscuit's face, and we're just going to walk backwards. And then I'm going to open my hand, let Biscuit access the treat, and then I'm going to reload my hand, and now I'm going to lure Biscuit forwards on my right side. When we get to about here, I'm going to let Biscuit have the treat. I'm going to reload, but this time with my left hand, and I'm going to lure Biscuit forwards on my left side. When we get to about there, I'll let Biscuit eat the treat. Now I'm going to demonstrate luring Biscuit from my left side to my right side. From my right side to my left side. And then I'm going to lure Biscuit walking in between my feet. This one's optional. So now with Ziggy here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I have the food in my right hand, in between my index and middle finger, thumb covering it, put the food in front of Ziggy's face. I'm going to walk backwards, and I'm just going to open my thumb, let Ziggy get the treat, reload my hand, and now I'm going to lure Ziggy forwards on my right side. Let Ziggy access the treat. Looks like he dropped it. And now I have my left hand loaded, and I'm luring Ziggy on my left side. Now I'm going to lure Ziggy from my right to my left, from my left to my right. I'll do that once again. And then the optional luring Ziggy in between my feet. We recommend practicing this exercise with any puppy or new dog for 1 to 2 minutes at a time, at least 3 times a day. We want our puppy to get really good at following our hand with food in it as a lure, and for the puppy to feel like it's fun and exciting to engage in this activity. We hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and if you would like more information about TopDogSF, please visit our website, TopDogSF.com.